Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Word and confirming you're signed in because theme settings can follow your account. Once done, check File, Account, About Word to verify the build. Update if necessary. Close Excel or Outlook to avoid theme sync during changes. Now go to File because that's where Office theme controls live. This ensures changes apply cleanly. Otherwise, Word may revert settings when other apps resync your account preferences. You now change the Office theme. Go to File, Options, General, and locate Office theme. Choose colorful or white to remove Word's dark appearance. Pick white for maximum brightness. If the theme option is grayed out, it's likely managed by your organization or account policy. Sign out briefly, or use a local account to test. Once you select the lighter theme, restart Word to ensure the interface updates throughout the ribbon and document canvas. Finish by ensuring the document canvas itself is light. Go to Options, General, and uncheck Never change the document background color so the page uses the selected theme. If read mode still shows dark backgrounds, open View, switch off read mode and change page color back to white. If the dark appearance persists system-wide, disable Windows Dark Mode in Settings, Personalization, Colors, because Windows can override Office. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.